Oh no!
Oh! Literally clutching at garlic straws here. Hello everybody!
Hi!
Hey Mrs. B!
Hello.
High five! She's my wife! Alright mate?
I'm fine.
Welcome to another kitchen hack testing video. The videos in which we...
Well, we test kitchen hacks that are out there on the internet or that you've sent us and see if they actually do work.
Yes, it's part of a massive playlist. Some work really well, some are quite dangerous,
Yeah.
some fail, and some are jolly funny. Today, we're doing 3 each, aren't we?
Yeah.
Kind of like having a hack off. You want to start with your one?
Yeah?
Alright.
So, have you ever been in a situation where you've made a lovely batch of cupcakes?
Oh, yeah.
You take them out of the tin to cool
Oh, so
down.
they've been baked?
They're baked.
Okay.
And then you look at the bottom of the paper case and it's all, like, you can see all the fat.
Oh, it's sort of where it's soaked
like,
into the bottom of the
soaked in.
case?
Yeah.
Yes.
So this hack shows you how to stop that from happening, apparently.
I'm very excited and intrigued because I do not like a greasy case.
And I think this is quite a popular one at the minute.
Oh, is it?
I thought we could do 6 with the hack and 6 without the hack.
Okay, yeah.
It makes a difference.
Sounds good.
I've got coloured or white.
I feel like they're both, you can kind of see, it just goes oily, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But I feel like the white, only because we went to a wedding the other night and the groom danced all night on the dance floor, bless him, and he was wearing a white shirt and he was just sweating and just kept dancing to the point where he was basically his own wet t-shirt competition at his own wedding, front and back, didn't care. So I don't know how I'm going from that to cupcake cases, but that's where I'm thinking. I think we should definitely do some white ones if that's all right.
Yeah.
But mix it up, I don't mind.
So the hack is you put a little bit of rice in the bottom.
Okay.
And this is meant to, I think, absorb the fat so it doesn't go...
Oh, really? My fear is that you are going to forget which side has the rice and doesn't. So I'm going to put a single grain of rice just there.
How am I going to forget when I take the case out there's going to be rice in the bottom? The rice isn't going to disappear. What are you on about?
I don't know. Cupcake batter is going in. Did you make this like extra greasy or anything on purpose? More butter or anything like that?
Not really. I just did it like I normally do. And when I do normally do it, I do get quite a bit of grease.
Yeah, it's like the base of it, isn't it? It's like oily, and the paper is kind of like, ugh.
And now they bake. Oh no, but I can't remember which ones have got the rice in.
Well, don't worry.
So, have you ever been in a situation where you want some like mashed avocado, but you haven't got a knife to open one up?
You haven't got a knife to open the avocado, like through the dinosaur-esque shell?
Yeah. So, I'm going to show you a hack that I've seen. I'm a bit wary about this.
Why? Is it?
I don't know. Apparently, you meant to just pick this bit out.
Oh, the little...
But now I'm looking at these avocados. I don't know how you just pick it out.
Well, that's the bit that normally helps tell you if it's ripe, doesn't it? Like the little stony bit, pip thing.
Oh, there we go. Oh, I've done it. So you get it out, right?
Yeah, so you've taken...
This out. Then apparently, you're just meant to squeeze the avocado.
What?
Oh no! This isn't what's
It's not
meant to
working.
happen. You're meant to squeeze it and it was
That's what all just comes out through that hole.
Oh look, kind of. Well, through the hole, but not through that one.
You kind of made your own.
There.
Oh,
Coming out
wow.
everywhere. Maybe I pushed too hard.
Was it supposed to come out like a toothpaste tube or something?
Yeah.
I think you've got to mush it a little bit in the shell first.
That's what I did. With this one, I rolled it.
Oh,
you know, like when you roll a lemon to get the juice out?
Yeah. Oh! I'm doing it!
Yeah.
Look at that! It's like bursting a spot though, isn't it?
Oh! If that came out of your spot, I'd be a bit worried.
Should have seen my teenage years, mate.
Oh.
Avocado pus.
Oh, shut up.
I mean, yeah, it works. And to be honest, sometimes doing an avocado, there are some amazing gadgets for it, as we found on the gadget playlist, but it can be quite messy. And generally, although that you are effectively bursting it, that's worked quite well. This reminds me of the week before I started using face wash. Oh, right. I actually think, as weird as that was, we have done some other avocado hacks and that to peel them actually.
Yeah.
And that is actually better.
That is a good one.
Anyhow, you're doing very well. It's time for my first hack. Have you ever been in a situation where you want to grate some cheese and you don't want to let it go all over the board, you want to collect it?
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty much it, but it doesn't just do it for cheese as well, apparently. But we do need a grater.
Yes.
And hopefully this should be a nice, easy one. Hey, what is it you got in your hand there, Miss B?
I have a box of Ziploc bags.
As long as it fits the width of the grater is all we'll need.
Okay. I need a bigger bag.
Yeah, it just about does it, doesn't it? Are we there? Are we there? Are we happy?
Well, how far do you want it?
Yeah, as long as it's covering it, it's gonna go into the base of the grater, and actually, you probably can't see it. In fact, no one else can see it, not even you, Mrs. B. Sorry about that. There we go, look, we've got this cheese building up inside the grater. That's a true story. Do you remember this gadget was from an actual gadget video?
What, the grater was from a gadget video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you ever remember it suddenly appearing?
Yes.
It came with a little plastic tub compartment, and I used it once in the gadget video, and after that, I don't know where that tub is.
I think it isn't. It's somewhere. I just never use it.
Right. Other couples might know this. When someone says, I think it's somewhere, that's code name for I threw it out. Give it a little shaky like that.
Oh,
Look at that.
that's clever.
And look, there's hardly any cheese on the counter. We can get this out just about. Oh my gosh, it's like cutting my finger. Completely clean.
And now you've got your cheese sealed in a bag to go in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one, Mr. B.
Ooh.
Big cupcakes.
They are awesome. Let's go rice first.
Yeah, look. Okay.
Oh, to me, oh no, that is better. Well, we'll see what it looks like.
We need to compare it, don't we?
Yeah. And we get another white one to compare it.
I'm not really sure.
Is it just me? Or is that worse? The one that had the rice on it. Look at that. Look.
Yeah, they're all like it.
Yeah, it's got little rice patterns on it. It's very pretty. I think it's made it worse.
Okay, so look. That's got like a nice, there's no soggy bottom.
Okay, I trust you. Yes, yes.
Yeah?
But my whole point was that transparency thing that you get of that grease. And the rice enhanced that, I feel.
Oh, but Leon, look at the bottom here. It's like...
brown.
It's brown the bottom.
But you kind of want that, don't you? You want a nice sort of brown...
I don't think you do. Look.
So you prefer that because it's not got a sort of crusty bottom, which sounds so wrong. But do you know what I mean? I like that bit where you get a crust on a cake, where it touches the edge of the pan, the bottom of the pan, the top of the pan.
Maybe we should try it. Oh, that's like quite dry, that bit.
Is it? Oh God, I've got to try it now.
And I've got greasy lips now.
Oh, that is fluffier.
And my lips, when I first had that, they weren't greasy.
Yeah, it does taste better. I will give you that. You are getting that little crust on there, so maybe that's where the fat was building up. It's just like, oh my gosh, I got to cook. I'm on a really hot surface. Whereas the rice did do its job. But I didn't think that was the point of that. I thought the point was to make it be less greasy.
Maybe my cakes are just so good that they just never get greasy.
The hack can't handle my cakes. Mrs. B, have you ever been in a situation where you want to get pineapple out of a pineapple, but in a really awesome way?
Yes.
Good. You rip the top off of it like that, twist it off, pound it down, roll it a lot, and then after doing that, you can pull out the individual like diamond-shaped segments. Is that what we're going to call them? I reckon we just. Oh. I am strong! So apparently we bash it.
Oh, you bash it?
Oh wow, you can make it. And then we can roll it, okay? You've got to roll it a lot. Like push down a little bit. Oh, I just heard you broke the spine of it, Mrs. B.
Did I?
Yeah, I'm so excited I nearly called you Mrs. Brie.
I guess you're rolling it to loosen.
Yeah, but apparently you've got to roll it a lot.
Oh, it's like my wrist.
Oh my gosh. It's loosened up massively.
Yours has. I can see all the juice coming out.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, apparently we should be able to just pull these out. No.
No.
No, they're really sealed, but they're like shut. They're really close together. No. Maybe we just keep rolling. This was the one that I thought this is not going to work, and we're going to need some help from people in the comments for this. Because we've got this one and the fizzy drink can one to retry, so I feel like...
Ugh, that fizzy drink one. I do not like that one.
But I just want to see if we can get one out, whether that will start it. Do you know what I mean? So I've cut all around just that single line. You can see it's slightly sunk in. And if I can just get that leaf. Look, look, here it comes, look. Oh, no, it broke. Oh, look, look, look.
There we go. Okay.
That's it. That's literally supposed to be it. So now, get your finger and thumb in there and pull it out like that. Now I'm in there. Look, it is weakening and you can... But you're not really getting very good portions, are you? Look, and she's just ripping it out. But I'll tell you what, her pineapple, if we look at the colour, it looks much more yellow.
No, it might be...
In the middle, these bits are still green, aren't they?
Yeah.
So I think we will revisit this one and buy some pineapples a few days in advance to try and let this turn a little bit more yellow. You can see in the middle there slightly are.
Okay. Yeah.
And it isn't the sweetest actually. So, fail with potential for working again?
Possibly.
Right, Mrs. B, you got one more hack, yeah?
I have. Have you ever been in a situation where you would like to ice your cupcakes that you've just made?
Yeah, what, with rice?
Yeah. But you don't have a nozzle for a piping bag and you want to do some like squiggly icing.
Oh, I would just pipe some avocado on there.
Would you?
So this is a hack for piping?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
You need like a Ziploc bag.
The sort of thing that you would put with a cheese grater?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, and you get like a little cocktail stick or you just push some holes in it.
So you fill your bag up with the icing, yeah?
So now, you ready?
Yeah, just about.
So this is a hack to give some kind of...
This is a hack.
Look.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Wow.
I feel like I'm a kid making Play-Doh again.
Yeah.
Look.
That's really, really weird.
But you get the idea.
Yeah, that's amazing. I like the random, you just no idea what's going to come out like. A lot of bursting going on today, Mrs. B.
Yeah.
Be watching like pimple popping videos or something. Right. I think that's worked.
Me too. I think 3 out of 3 for me.
You've been in a situation where you dropped a cupcake on the floor and your pug's eating it up?
Did you drop it though?
I didn't drop it, no. I gave him a little piece. I've been in a situation where you want to fry an egg, but you don't just want a random shape that comes out when you crack the egg. Ideally a circle. Well, so, you get a little bit aesthetic, you get, little bumps and stuff in it. Have you ever wanted to draw your own shape fried egg?
Oh, okay. Yes.
For this last hack today, we have 2 pans here. I don't know whether it needs to be hot or cold. If you get a frying pan and draw with garlic an outline of any shape you desire, I'm thinking we go basic here, like maybe like a square.
Okay, yeah.
You crack the egg into it. The garlic acts as a barrier to stop the egg white going over it, and obviously will cook to that shape. You with me?
Really? Yeah, I'm with you.
I don't know. That's why we're doing it.
Oh, okay. I'm intrigued.
Yeah. Get garlic, crack an egg. I mean, look how fast that goes like that. I mean, whether the video is sped up, to me, I don't know.
I think that's a hot pan.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Because look how quick the egg
That is so fast, isn't it?
Yeah. What stinks.
It does, doesn't it?
Ooh.
I've done a square there.
Okay.
Shall we just try and crack an egg in and see what it does? Can you see the square?
I can see it.
Yeah. I don't know. Sorry guys if you can't see it, but... No!
I think it needs to be hot.
Okay.
Let's try it hot.
What shape are you going to go for?
I'm just going to do a square.
Yeah. Right, and to me, I cannot see anything at all. And that is a hot pan, folks. Can you see anything? That was like innocent pug's face on the pan, just going, "What are you doing? The world's worst massage."
Oh look, you can see it's caught there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, whoops.
It did catch for a bit, didn't it?
There. Well, I went over it lots.
Just said, I wonder if it's sort of dried out since we used it first of all. So I've cut it and now it's actually quite sort of wet on the surface, so it might be more like a pen.
Okay.
Literally clutching at garlic straws here. You guys can see this with us. Oh wow.
I can see that.
There's an outline there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Right, let's go. Oh no!
No.
She loves saying that. No,
Didn't
another
work
fail.
this time.
Darn it! Alright. You win again, Mrs. B. The hack off. All three of yours were stonkers. I'd say one of mine was alright, the first one. But that one was the best ever. I think that was the best out.
Oh, what, the cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was
I thought it was really good. The pineapple has potential.
Yeah, I'm not convinced though with the pineapple.
No.
No.
And the egg, I think we'll just let that cook. Should we have that for brunch?
Yes.
Brilliant. Well, thanks so much for watching, folks. Hope you enjoyed this hacks video. Remember, there's loads more on the playlist. Keep them coming in. Any dangerous ones for me, more sensible ones that generally work for Mrs. B. Well done, Mrs. B. Hello.
Hello.
So that's it. Remember to subscribe if you're not already, and if you are, make sure your notifications are turned on so they tell you about all new videos. Consider following us on social media. We're kind of everywhere, and that's the place to send the hacks, as I say. So thank you so much. And favourite hack today?
The icing.
Oh, actually, that was quite fun. That was, yeah.
I like that.
I'd liked the simplicity of the cheese.
Yeah.
And that's not only because it's the only one that worked for me, but the cupcake one was a lot of fun. So, cheers guys. See you later. Bye.
Bye.